How to change variant picker type from pills to Dropdown in Shopify. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you step by step how it's done. Now if you're using a theme like Horizon or Dawn theme, it's just going to make your life a lot easier. And I'm just going to show you exactly how it's done using these themes. Now the first thing that you will need to have is actually a product with some variants, obviously, so we can actually test this out So I have this little product and I have a few variants for it. So we're just going to click on online store. We want to click on themes and we just want to open up the theme editor. So click on edit theme. From here, you simply just want to go to the default product page. So click on the top here, click on products and click on default product. Now, the first thing that you will need to do is toggle the product to one of the products that actually have variants. So this one doesn't, so I'm going to skip this one and just select a product that does actually have variants, which is the red product for me. Now, in here, we can actually see the variant picker, as you can see, and it's pretty much just a bunch of pills. So we want to change that. So in order to change that, we simply just want to go ahead and highlight it like so and click on it. Or you can just go to the details section within the product information and you should be able to find variant picker. Anyways, once you actually click on it, you should be able to find the style option for it, and it's going to be buttons by default, but you simply just want to click on that and make it drop downs. And you can enable swatches if you did actually use those, but I didn't, so I didn't actually set them up, so it's not really going to work. But anyways, now we have our drop down ready to go, so we can actually view it and we can see the material and we can just pick it from here. It's going to work exactly how we would expect it to work as a drop down. So this is pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel and thank you for watching.